If you'd like to learn how to integrate Qikink with Shopify and how to use it, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So stick close and let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to create a Qikink account, and you want to also make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store. So we're going to start with Qikink. You can actually start both ways, but this is probably the easiest way. So right at the top here, you'll see integrations and Shopify. You're going to click on that and click on Get Shopify app. It's very simple. From here, you're going to go and click on to install Qikink Shopify app. Click here. This will now redirect you to the Shopify App Store. And if you've gone from Shopify, you can actually just go to Add Apps on your left-hand side, scroll a little bit down and look for Shopify App Store. Alternatively, you can dial in apps.shopify.com and you can search for Qikink and install it directly from here. Now, I'm going to go this route directly from Qikink. So you're going to go click here, and you'll be redirected to this page. You're going to click on install, and this will now install the Qikink app into your Shopify store and vice versa. So here you are just going to grant some access. You're going to click on install, and this is now within Shopify. It will now install, and this is now your Shopify dashboard, and you'll be able to access the Qikink app on the left-hand side over here. Now, if it doesn't show here, you can actually just go into apps and it'll actually show you your installed apps. So you can just give this a second to load, and you can now see that this is the interface. Now, what you'll need to do is to connect a store with your login details. And if you don't have a Qikink account, then you will now sign up. Of course, in this case, we're going to go and log in. You're going to give this a few seconds. You are going to just enter your Quikink's username. So we can just go ahead and click on that, say submit. And then you are going to receive an email. So let's go and retrieve that email. We now have our email. We're going to go ahead, paste it in here. Let us click on submit. It does say that it's verified. And we are now connected. Our Qikink is now connected to our Shopify App Store. We can just go back in over here, and if you just refresh your page, you'll actually see that it is now successfully integrated on your Qikink page. And then if you go into your Shopify store, which is this one over here, you will see here is your Qikink app on the left-hand side.